Deemcee.
Hello everyone, I am cabin crew Zhan Hao. To be a professional cabin crew, we need to have these 3 skills, which are cheerful, hand gestures, and caring action. First, you need to be cheerful, like this. Cheerful, hi, not cheerful, hi. It is important because to be cheerful, people will think we are friendly and easy to approach. Second, you need to have hand gestures like this. Excuse me, where's the toilet is? Go straight and turn right. Why is it important? It is important because hand gesture can help people to understand us better. Third, you need to have caring action, like this. Excuse me, you look cold. Do you need a blanket? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you. It is important because others will feel happy because we are kind and caring. So, as a cabin crew, we need to have cheerful hand gestures and caring action. Come, let's be a confident cabin crew just like me. I am cabin crew Zhan Hao. Thank you.